back to Campervan Culture. In Wales again this time. It's Easter, unusually enough for Easter. There's a bit of snow around. We decided to wild camp tonight. We was going to meet the others that we're camping with, but we've got here a bit earlier, so we kind of just mooched off a little while because we was going to stay in a town, but it's quite early to sort of settle in a town car park, so we've come out in the mountains a little bit. So just found this great spot, really, sort of to show you around. There's a nice stream down there, which is pretty cool, and we're sort of just tucked away over there in the woods. Louise is just making spaghetti bolognese, so that's pretty starving actually. We had a good time getting here, so yeah, I was going to ring the others up, but I haven't got any reception on the phone, so everyone was going to sort of meet up late anyway, so I doubt they'll miss us, so we'll kind of just get hook up with those tomorrow and head to the Gower.
I am yours now, so now I don't ever have to leave. I've been found out.
Morning, mister.
Hello, Nicky.
Oh, that was a nice sleep. Oh.
And now you're getting down?
Yeah.
Do you want to have a still up for breakfast?
Yay.
Never explore.
Wow, what an amazing morning. This is the first time the sun's shone in ages. Behind us where we camped last night, it's great. The police turned up twice, just did a quick loop and went just to make sure there was no shenanigans. So just to show responsible wild campers, you know, discretion is given to them. They could see we were serious wild campers. Oh look, there's some sheep over there, look. Hello! So yeah, we're just by this nice little stream, or river. So waterfalls over there, I'm going to check those out and yeah, see what the day brings.
I don't have to leave anymore. What I have is right here. Spend my nights and days before, searching the world for what's right here, underneath and unexplored. Islands and cities I have looked. Here I saw something I couldn't overlook. I am yours now, so now I don't ever have to leave. I've been found out, so now I'll never explore. See what I've done. That bridge is on fire, yeah, that's the way I've been. I'm froze by desire, no need to leave. Where would I be if this were to go under? That's the risk I take. I'm froze by desire, as if a choice I made. And I am yours now, so now I don't ever have to leave. I've been found out, so now I'll never explore. I am yours now, I am yours now, so now I don't ever have to leave. I've been found out, so now I'll never explore.
What are you eating, Isaac? What are you eating, Fun?
that I could bring paradise.
I'll forgive and forget before I'm paralyzed. Do I have to keep up the pace to keep you satisfied? High.
Things have gotten closer to the sun, and I've done things in small doses. So don't think that I'm pushing you away when you're the one that I've kept closest. Hi.
So we're going to have a go at laying a long line fishing technique. Bernie over there has filled us in with the details. Ringo over there is doing the hooks and on the back of the LT ready to go. So we're going to go down the beach and give it a go to see if we get lucky.
Some sounds echo. Does it lessen your affection? No.
These little bits, you put a whole one on. Put a whole one on. Go for it.
See you later, mate. See ya.
To the sun, and I've done things in small doses. So don't think that I'm pushing you away when you're the one that I've kept closest. Go slow.